How to send money with KeyBank Zelle. Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to send money using Zelle with your KeyBank account. It's very quick and secure, so let's just jump right in. First, open up the KeyBank's mobile app, and then you can just sign in with your username and password. And on the home screen, you'll find an option to send money with Zelle. And if it's your first time using Zelle, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions and link your US mobile number or email address to your Zelle account. Next, you can choose the account that you want to send money from, then enter the recipient's email address or US mobile number. Make sure that they are already enrolled in Zelle to ensure they get the money instantly. Then you can just type in the amount, and then you can just add a note if you want. Then after you have done that, tap on review. Double check all the details, especially the recipient's info, because Zelle payments can't be cancelled once it's sent. Finally, tap on send and you'll see a confirmation on your screen, and the money will usually arrive in a few minutes. And that's it. That's how you can easily send money with Zelle on your KeyBanks. If you found this helpful, tap the like button and I'll see you on the next one.